Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be assembling a baby high chair. It was super simple to assemble as it does not require any tools. I have added the product link and my review in the description below, so please be sure to check it out. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated on my latest video. Let's get started.